So I had stopped the video and I got a little carried away. So I already did this one. This is the exhaust valve. And I may have said it backwards. I guess the exhaust valve is smaller than the intake. This is the intake from what I learned from watching videos. This one is in line with the intake from the carburetor. And so I was right in assuming earlier that the exhaust, would be exhaust because it's lined up with the exhaust. Seems like common sense to me. But I set this to 9 thousandths with the feeler gauge, and I don't know the exact spec, so I will do this one. I'll try to do this one on video. I got it all loosened up. Oh, that one's kind of, why is that so tight? Let me loosen the bottom one. Where did my wrench go? I just had it, and I'm setting stuff down when I shouldn't be. All right. Okay, so let me loosen that up a bit. And from what I understand, you want to loosen this first, so that way you can loosen the bottom one. Loosen that up a little bit. So now I got it pretty loose, so I can stick the 5 thousandths feeler gauge. If I'm wrong on that, someone can please tell me. This is the kind it is right here. It's the Power Stroke. If anybody knows who makes it, I don't know. So, all right. So let me get back to this. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. So let me find. What is that one? Yeah, that's the 9 thousandths. That's the one I used here. Oop. I don't even know if that's correct, but see, it fits under. It's actually a little on the snug side. Maybe I should loosen that. Let me loosen that just a smidge. I don't know. That feels pretty good. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Not gonna put corners on the wheel. All right, so let me find. Dude, this is really hard. One-handed. I better keep stuff in the video. By the way, I'm not really good at making videos, so make fun of me. All right, so 4. That's okay. Oops, I gotta make sure I'm in the video here. They're greased because I just bought these, so there's the 5. One-handed videos are freaking hard. All right. Okay. So there we have it. You can see it. 0.005. That's what I'm going to use for the intake. So let me see if I can. Oh yeah, that needs to be loosened some more. So let's set this on here. Nice and loose, a little too loose. Let's see if I can set this to where this will stay like that, because I want it flat. And then try to tighten this down. And from what I'm told, you don't want, when you tighten this one down, you should have a wrench here on this nut, so that way when you tighten this down, this doesn't move, because it'll change the spec, I guess, that you're doing. It's a little on the loose side. Let's go a little more. little bit of drag. From what I understand, that's the way it should be. So, now how am I gonna do this one-handed without, see, I just moved it. Stupid. And I put the feeler gauge away. Now I gotta do it again. Six. Hold on. Come on. We got one hiding in there. That's what. Let's get all these out. There's. Next, dang, I gotta get better with this camera. See, 5 got stuck right under the 4. They're so stuck together. All right, here's 5 again. Oh my God, this is a horrible video. It's got a little drag. So that's why I'm gonna, I guess that's the way, there we go. That's kind of, I think, the way it should feel. I'm not gonna put this, fold this back in. It's gonna stay out. Okay, so let me see if I can do this without freaking moving it. This is gonna be really difficult to film. All right, well, you guys get the point. You gotta hold this. So difficult. Put a wrench here. Put a wrench here, and then a wrench here, and just tighten the top one down to lock this bottom one into position. So, stand by.